Hey everyone, welcome to Big Progress Channel. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome. Come inside, sit down, relax.
Today, we start with a big question. Do you feel nervous when ordering coffee in English?
Yes, very nervous. My hands shake, my brain stops, my mouth says nothing.
Exactly. Many learners feel the same. You understand English, but when the barista asks, "What can I get for you?" your mind becomes empty like a white wall.
A big white wall. No words, no coffee, only panic.
But don't worry, today's podcast will fix that. We will learn real English in a coffee shop. Simple English, short phrases, easy to use. After this lesson, you will feel confident. You will order like a native, maybe even like a cool native.
Ooh, a cool native with sunglasses?
Haha, yes, Lamb. Sunglasses optional. Listeners, be honest. Has this ever happened to you?
You walk into a coffee shop and you say,
The barista smiles and asks, "Hi, what can I get for you?"
and you think, I know these words, but why can't I speak?
Exactly. This podcast is for you. So, what is the first sentence you should say in a coffee shop?
Ooh, interesting. I want to know.
Great. Then let's start. Okay, Lamb, you walk into the shop. The barista looks at you and says, "Hi, what can I get for you?"
Oh no, the scary question.
Not scary today. Here is how to answer. A simple, polite, easy sentence. "Hi, yes, please. I'd like a..."
Oh, that's easy.
Yes, very easy. Repeat with me. "Hi, yes, please. I'd like a..."
Hi. Yes, please. I'd like
But Hana, "I'd like" sounds fancy. Do I need a suit?
No, Lamb. It's polite English. No suit needed.
Lamb, what sizes do coffee shops have?
Small, medium, large.
Great. Now mix them with the sentence. "I'd like a small coffee, please." "I'd like a medium latte, please." "I'd like a large cappuccino, please."
Easy and fun.
Your turn. Imagine I'm the barista. "Hi, what can I get for you?"
Hi. Yes, please. I'd like a medium coffee.
Great job. Clear and polite. If you want something cold, you say iced. Iced coffee. Iced latte.
So, iced means cold with ice.
Yes, good student.
Teacher, gold star, please.
Later, Lamb. Many coffee shops also have snacks. Cookies, muffins, croissants.
Croissant.
So you can add, "And a cookie, please." "And a muffin, please." "And a croissant, please."
Can I say, and 5 cookies, please?
Yes, but maybe share with friends.
No. Cookies are my best friends.
Okay, let's role play. I'm the barista. "Good morning. What can I get for you?"
Good morning. Yes, please. I'd like a large iced coffee and a chocolate muffin, please.
Perfect. Very natural. After your order, the barista says, "That'll be $5.50, please."
And I say, can I pay by card? Or I'll pay with cash.
Exactly. Very simple. If you need the bathroom, excuse me, where is the restroom?
Toilet, no?
Restroom is more polite. Good for coffee shops.
Ah, fancy word.
And for internet, do you have Wi-Fi? What's the Wi-Fi password?
Hana, this is the most important English in the world.
The barista might ask, for here or to go?
So if I drink it inside, I say, for here, please.
Yes. And if you take it with you, to go, please.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Hana, please stop being cute.
I cannot stop. It's natural.
Okay, Lamb, you did very well so far, but we still have more to learn.
More? What more? Tell me.
In part 2, we will learn about customizing drinks, asking for recommendations, common mistakes, loyalty cards, and a big role play.
Oh, I want the big role play.
And we will also do a quick review to help listeners remember everything.
Nice. So what's next, Hana?
Okay, Lamb, so you said talking to someone new feels scary. Let's fix that today.
Yes, please fix me. I am broken.
You are not broken. You just need simple English tools. Very simple, super beginner friendly.
Tools? Like a hammer? A screwdriver?
Yes. And the first tool is a smile.
Oh, I have that tool. It is free.
Exactly. So let's start with the easiest English conversation skill. Short answers, simple sentences, slow speaking.
That's perfect. Slow is my lifestyle.
Let's practice again. I'll ask you questions. You answer with short, clear sentences.
Okay, I am ready, I think.
What's your name?
My name is Lamb.
Great. Now a shorter version.
I'm Lamb.
Perfect. See? Easy. Next question. Where are you from?
I am from Vietnam.
Good. Or you can say, I'm from Vietnam.
I'm from Vietnam.
Nice. Now something new. What do you do? It means your job or daily work.
Oh, yes, I can say I'm a student, right?
Exactly. Or I'm a worker.
Yes, short and clear.
Now I will teach you the magic formula for simple speaking. Ready?
Magic. Wow. Yes, I want magic.
The formula is I'm plus detail, or I like plus thing, or I want plus goal.
That's very simple.
Yes, that's the point. Simple is powerful. Let's try.
Okay.
Say something about your hobby.
I like sleeping
Very honest.
and I like eating.
Same. I like eating too. Now your goal.
I want good English.
Good. Now a full short introduction using the formula.
I'm Lam. I'm from Vietnam. I'm a student. I like sleeping and eating. I want good English.
See? Clear, simple, friendly. perfect for real conversation.
But, Hana, if I speak slowly, people think I am not good.
No, speaking slow is a superpower. It makes you clear. It gives your brain time to relax. It helps the listener understand you.
So, slow is okay?
Slow is beautiful.
So, I am beautiful.
Yes, lamb, you are beautifully slow. Let's practice a real situation. You meet a new person. I'm the new friend. Ready?
I am nervous. Just kidding. I am ready.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Lamb.
Nice to meet you, lamb. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Oh, cool. What do you do?
I'm a student.
Nice. What do you like to do?
I like movies and eating and sleeping.
Sounds fun.
Thank you.
See? Easy. You can do this anywhere. School, cafe, airport, online meeting.
That feels good. I can actually speak.
Let's fix 3 common problems. Many beginners try to speak fast, then they panic.
Oh, that is me. Speed, panic, silence.
Yes. So speak slow, breathe, smile. You don't need long sentences. Short is good.
Short is my favorite.
Yes, this is normal, but try simple English formulas instead. I'm, I like, I want.
So, I don't think in Vietnamese. I think in Lego English.
Exactly. Little blocks. Lamb, can you say 5 new sentences using the formulas?
Sure. I'm hungry. I'm happy today. I like English. I like this podcast. I want more lessons.
Amazing. Everyone listening, you can also speak with us. Say your own 5 sentences. Let's review quickly. 1. Simple English is okay. 2. Short sentences are powerful. 3. Speak slow. 4. Use the formula I'm, I like, I want.
And sleeping is a hobby.
Yes, for you. Thank you for listening to today's lesson. If you enjoyed this simple, slow, friendly English practice,
Please support us.
yes, Diga. Subscribe to Big Progress channel, like the video, and leave a comment about your own short introduction.
Tell us your name, your hobby, your dream,
We want to hear from you.
and we will see you in the next episode.